everyone's busy making anime selfies with ChatGPT-4o. Meanwhile, they're holding the biggest AI revolution in the palm of their hands and don't even realize it. This isn't just another cool update. OpenAI's new image model quietly unlocked real business opportunities, no design skills or big budgets needed. I've been riding the AI wave since 2022, testing tools, building businesses, and one thing's clear: the people who move first always win big. Think about it. Netflix wiped out DVDs. The App Store turned simple apps into billion-dollar startups. This moment with ChatGPT-4o, it's that kind of shift. So if you're tired of dead-end side hustles, in this video, I'm breaking down 4 smart ways to use ChatGPT-4o to start real business, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in. Check this out. This YouTube channel called Sleepless Historian, just in the last 2 months, has gained over 370,000 subscribers, pulled in more than 11 million views, and is estimated to be earning between $28,000 and $79,000 per month. And here's the wild part: their breakout video, it dropped right around the time ChatGPT-4o launched. But what really shocked me is how simple their content actually is. Just by watching one of their videos, and it's clear that the images were made in ChatGPT-4o, the voiceover is clearly from 11 Labs, and the editing, super simple, straight cuts in CapCut. That's it. You might be thinking, but Zinny, their videos are like 2 to 3 hours long. Watch this. After the first 30 minutes, it's literally just a black screen with a voiceover playing. When I saw this channel weeks ago, I was honestly speechless. It proves what I've been saying all along. Building a faceless YouTube channel can completely change your life, and it's one of the fastest ways to start making money with ChatGPT-4o. You don't need fancy animations. You don't need to be on camera. You just need a smart format, a valuable idea, and a few AI tools. And this exact model can be adapted for anything. Bible stories for sleep, calming bedtime facts, you name it. I won't be showing the full creation process here because this video would get way too long. But if you want a full step-by-step tutorial on how to create these faceless videos from start to finish, drop the word faceless in the comments and I'll make it a priority for one of my upcoming videos. And if this kind of content excites you and you're ready to start or scale your own faceless YouTube channel, I've got something special coming up. In 2 weeks, the door to my program Accelerates opens. The program walks you through the entire process, from picking the right niche to building videos using AI, automating your workflow and turning it into consistent income. It's built specifically for creators who don't want to be on camera and who want to use smart, simple tools to build a channel that grows. If that sounds like what you've been looking for, join the waitlist below and be the first to get all the details when doors open. Now let's talk about another smart way to use ChatGPT-4o to create a product: kids printable bundles. This one is perfect if you already run a kids-focused faceless YouTube channel or you're planning to launch one. You can turn your videos into digital products that parents love and actually pay for. Think printable alphabet charts, counting worksheets, coloring pages, flashcards, affirmations, and even daily routines for toddlers. Let me show you the demand and how much you can realistically make. When you search for terms like preschool printables, alphabet flashcards, or learning posters on Etsy using a tool like Everbee, you'll find listings with hundreds, sometimes thousands of sales. For example, this one, educational poster bundle for toddlers, is pulling in an estimated $2,000 per month in revenue. Another one focused on toddler activities, pulling in an estimated $2,900 per month in revenue. That's the power of these digital products. Once created, they can sell over and over again. Now let's recreate one using ChatGPT-4o. Here's the cool part. You don't need to be a designer to make your own. You can prompt it to create a colorful illustrated watercolor poster of vegetables featuring simple flat style drawings of common vegetables like carrots, garlic, peppers, broccoli, tomatoes, eggplant, cucumber, potatoes, lettuce, onions, and beets. Each vegetable should be clearly labeled with its name in a playful font at the top, and the layout should be clean and visually appealing, perfect for a preschool classroom wall. And just like that, you have your image and it looks so good. You can get the bestseller image of a similar poster from Etsy and paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to create a unique one using a reference image, just like how this turned out. It looks way better than the reference in my opinion. In addition, you can create multiple images with similar aesthetics, bundle a few together, export them as a PDF, and you've got a polished digital product ready to go. So how do you sell this? I recommend building your own store where you control the pricing, the experience, and most importantly, the brand. Imagine launching your own branded printable site, something like tinygenius.store or kidoprints.store. There are multiple platforms to start with, hosting your AI builder, or even Shopify, which is one of the best platforms for e-commerce. You can literally try it out for free for 3 days or $1 for 30 days. Once your store is set up, you can use Shopify's default domain. But if you want to look truly professional and instantly recognizable as a store, grab a .store domain, who are kindly sponsoring this portion of the video. Big names like Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Michelle Obama, and Maroon 5 all use .store for their product brands. It's clean, powerful, and proven. A year-long study showed 87% more site visits, 2x better visibility on Google, and 12% lower ad costs per conversion. And right now, you can get your .store domain for just 9 cents using the code Zinny at checkout. That is not all. You'll unlock $2,500 plus in exclusive discounts with their Elevate.store partner network, which includes tools like Canva Pro, Shopify, MailChimp, Wix, and so much more. All you need to start a business without breaking the bank. Pro tip, build a printable membership. If you want to scale this, turn your bundles into a monthly printable club, offer a fresh set of 10-15 themed worksheets each month, and charge something simple like $7 per month. That's $700 per month with just 100 parents, and they never have to search Etsy again because you become the go-to resource. Let's talk about something that never goes out of style and has had a high barrier of entry before now: custom portraits, whether it's for a couple, a family, or their favorite pet. Before you think, isn't this too saturated? Check this out. On Etsy, Everbee shows that the top-selling portrait shop like this store, with only 18 listings, are pulling in over $26,000 per month in revenue. And most of them are offering digital-only files, which means it's 80 to 90% profit once the system is set up. That's not just a trend. That's proof of real buyer demand. Although this is not passive, the work involved has just dropped from days of work to literally minutes. Let me show you how easy it is to create some of these portraits in ChatGPT-4. I will be using this listing that brings in an estimated monthly revenue of $12,000 per month, according to the Everbee research tool, which is totally insane. I have this image of a grandma and her grandson. I'll upload it to ChatGPT along with a reference image from a best-selling Etsy listing. Then I'll simply ask it to create a watercolor portrait where the grandma is holding her grandson, similar to the style in image 3. Just like that, ChatGPT generates a beautiful image that preserves the key features of the originals, which is seriously impressive. Now let's try the same thing with pets. I found another Etsy listing that transforms pet photos into a 3D Pixar style portrait and is making around $2,300 per month in estimated revenue. Using ChatGPT, I uploaded a dog's photo and asked it to convert the image into a 3D Pixar style while keeping the dog's unique features. In just a few seconds, it produced an amazing result, and honestly, it looks stunning. If you're finding this video helpful so far, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps more people discover these opportunities, and it tells me you want more deep dive tutorials like this one. And if you've got questions or want a part 2, drop a comment below. I'm always in the replies. If you've ever dreamed of publishing a children's book but felt overwhelmed by the writing, the illustrations, or the cost of publishing, that excuse doesn't work anymore, because with ChatGPT-4o, you can now create the entire storybook from start to finish on your own. Here's how to create one from scratch. Use ChatGPT-4o to outline and generate your book storyline. Start by picking an age group. I chose ages 4 to 6. Then select a theme such as kindness, courage, or curiosity, and prompt it to use age-appropriate language. ChatGPT-4o will create a story that's simple, warm, and full of imagination with a gentle, meaningful lesson. Next, I asked it for illustration ideas, and it provided a detailed page-by-page breakdown. I then requested it to generate the pages one after another, ensuring character consistency throughout the story. As you can see, each page includes consistent characters and error-free text. Once you have your images and text ready, bring everything into a free design tool like Canva. There, you can easily format your pages for print or digital delivery, perfect for PDFs on tablets and iPads. You can sell your book on platforms like Amazon and as a digital download on Etsy, or list it directly on your website for even more control over your sales. Pro tip: launch your own storybook series. Don't stop at one book. Use your first story as the start of a series. Think The Adventures of Nia and Max, Curious Creatures of the Forest, Learning with Zara, a values-based book series. Make people buy more than once and they build a loyal following for your brand. We've barely scratched the surface of what's possible with AI. If you're serious about making real money, not just watching others do it, then you need to check out this next video where I break down free AI tools you can start using right now to create products, render services, and build sustainable income streams for yourself. Click on this video to watch, and I'll see you there.